Home Remedies presents
Clear your lungs and stop coughing in 3 days. Prescription for bronchitis. Bronchitis is an infection of the main airways of the lungs, bronchi, causing them to become irritated and inflamed. The main symptom is a cough, which may bring up yellow-gray mucus, phlegm. Bronchitis may also cause a sore throat and wheezing. Having too much mucus in your lungs or phlegm build up can block narrowed air passages and make it hard for you to breathe. Increased mucus in the lungs can also lead to infections such as pneumonia, so it needs to be treated on time. Today I will share with you a very simple remedy that will clear out your lungs of mucus and phlegm. So let's see how to make it. Ingredients: ginger 1 inch, water 1 liter, cloves 2, dried sage leaves 1 tablespoon, lemon juice 1 lemon, cinnamon powder 1 teaspoon, honey 1 teaspoon. Directions: peel the ginger and cut into small pieces. Boil it in 1 liter of water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take off the stove and add 2 cloves and 1 tablespoon of sage in the water. Extract juice from 1 lemon and add to the pan. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir all the ingredients well. Cover the pan and let the ingredients penetrate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, strain the tea and add a teaspoon of honey to it. Drink it in 3 parts, 3 times a day before meals. Deep breathing. In addition, also practice deep breathing. When you do deep breathing exercises, you slowly breathe in, inhale and breathe out, exhale to help your lungs expand. These breathing exercises are examples of treatments that use physical manipulation techniques to help you cough up sticky mucus and clear your lungs.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.